Hello everybody, this is Nathan once again coming to you from IBIX North America, and today you'll notice I have in front of me one of my favorite systems that we have to offer you guys. It's called the Pro 40. Now what really sets this piece of equipment apart from all the others is that it's going to be one of your highest powered blasters in a mobile package. So this machine here will operate with a 185 CFM compressor and actually utilize every single one of those CFMs. So without further ado, let me hop right into this piece of equipment. When you do purchase this piece of equipment, just like all of our other ones, you are going to be receiving a funnel with a sifting screen for all of those unwanted particles that you do want to reuse. So that makes sure it clears out any paint particles, any heavy coatings, make sure it keeps it out of your machine. With that being said, you can put any media in this machine that is in between a 30-60 mesh all the way up to a 275 mesh. That means crushed glass, garnet, and baking soda, what have you. Anything that falls in between that range will pair nicely with this machine. Now this is a very industrial piece of equipment, whereas so far you may have seen some of our more delicate pots, which are great for woodworking and stuff like that. This one is going to be more for those industries such as the oil industry, the marine industry, for getting off some of those barnacles on the bottom of boats, and overall just really tough to get through surfaces that you want to, of course, revive and resurface. That's where this one comes into play. So bridges, of course, that large barges, and even blasting off shipping containers and things such as trash bins, things like that. So of course, back to those really heavy coatings, this one is going to be your best friend in a mobile package. Like I said, this one will be only able to perform with a 185 compressor, so you're probably going to have to, let's say, attach it to your tow behind and create a nice little package for you guys to easily get on a job site, pull this off of your trailer, and get started. Now, when you do purchase this, you are going to also receive a 30-foot gun, and just like all of our other ones, you will be able to control your water connection right here on the machine. Operates on a separate line where you use a regular water hose, plug it into the back of the machine here, water stays separate, and then you are able to control it right on the gun here. Just like the other ones, it has your safety button right here. You push that in, hold the trigger at the same time, it'll start to blast. As soon as you let off that trigger, you're going to have to go ahead and push that in before you can pull this trigger again. This one's a little bit different than the other ones. You can actually receive a lance, the fan spray nozzle, but since it is a very high-powered machine, it doesn't come equipped with one of those helix guns that you might have been familiar with from our other videos. Like I said, high-powered blaster, small package, just to make you as maneuverable as possible on the job site. Now, if you guys want to go a little bit more in-depth with this piece of machinery, please feel free to contact us at 727-322-4611, or you can email us at sales@ibixusa.com. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and have a wonderful day. We do offer financing for every piece of equipment here at IBIX, so feel free to ask us how. Restore, maintain, protect. Made easy with IBIX.